Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. So it's actually really easy and you can change it multiple times if you want to. So let's get started with how to change your name on Instagram. The first thing we need to do is simply open up Instagram, then go to your Instagram profile by selecting the little icon that looks like a person in the bottom right. So this will take you to your profile. Once you're on your profile, all you need to do is select Edit Profile, and then you'll see a couple options, name and then username. All we need to do is alter the text here to whatever we want our username to be. A couple things to keep in mind when you're changing your username. If you have any links to your Instagram profile, maybe on a website, YouTube channel, social media, you have to update those links to reflect the new username that you choose. And then the last thing to keep in mind, if you change your username, someone else can go behind you and get the username that you were using previously. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it. I'm just going to add a 1 to my test account name right there, Gauging Gadgets Test Account 1. As you can see, this green check mark means that no one else has that, so I can use it. And then I use the check mark at the top to save it. Once it saves, you'll see your username changed at the top left, reflecting what you chose. And if I want to change it back, all I need to do is go to Edit Profile, change it to the way it was, and select the check mark. And there we go. It has updated it back to what it was before. All right, so that's how you change your username on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.